Hello guys, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome back. So welcome to Testbook Regulatory Bodies. In this particular session we are going to talk about SEBI Grade A exam preparation. Okay. So बहुत सारे कैंडिडेट हैं जिनकी क्वेरीज हैं कि SEBI Grade A 2025 आएगा या नहीं आएगा. ठीक है. So we cannot speculate on this particular one. ठीक है. If we see the exam pattern from last like since 2018 onwards. Okay. So for journalists, they have always released this particular notification in 2 years. Okay. Like it was in 2018, then 2020, 2022 and 2024. Okay. तो अगर हम सेबी की रिक्रूटमेंट पॉलिसीज की बात करें तो वहां पे ऐसे कोई क्लियर कट आपका डायरेक्शंस नहीं प्रोवाइड किए गए हैं कि आपका सेम उसमें फॉलो किया जाएगा. ठीक है. बट सी if you talk about this particular examination and like if you go through the number of subjects and all, so it has vast syllabus. Okay, if you are planning for like a SEBI grade examination, so it will take around 7 to 8 months to prepare for this particular examination. Okay, so like see, if you are preparing for RBI grade B like examination and if you are also targeting SEBI grade exams, so how you should plan your studies and what is different from RBI grade B examination, so that we are going to discuss in this particular session. And my answer is yes कि आपको अभी से इस एग्जामिनेशन की प्रिपरेशन लगेगी. ठीक है. सो इट विल टेक इजीली 7 to 8 months downside to prepare this particular examination very well. So for that sake, if you prepare like let's say from April onwards, so थोड़ा थोड़ा अगर आप contribute करते हैं, if let's say if examination happen in 2026, still you'll have at least 2 to 3 months in your hand. That time you can dedicate to the practice areas. ठीक है. So अगर 25 के अंदर नहीं भी आता है, so guys see, if you talk about the SEBI grade A journalist, the good thing is there is no descriptive as of now in this particular examination. But if you talk about the number of subject, okay, so in like we have paper 2 which is part of your phase 2 also, and paper 2 which consists 6 subject. Okay, ये subject अपने आप में बहुत बड़े like they have included the complete subject. So now the good thing is, if you know the basics or concepts around these particular topic, it is easy to score. What we experienced in 2024, the question level was bit easier compared to other regulatory bodies examination. All right. So paper 1, if you talk about the phase 1 examination, it include your QRE section like general awareness, reasoning, aptitude and English language. Okay? So it is we can say it is similar to your RBI grade B examination, or if you are preparing for any other regulatory bodies examination, so with that particular one you can cover this particular thing. The only thing is paper 2 of your phase 1 examination, which has different like we have specialization also. Apart from specialization, if you go for the journalist post, so we have these many subject, like so the paper will be multiple choice question in commerce, accountancy, management, finance, costing, then we have Companies Act and economics. So these are the subject which are generally part of your paper 2 and which are generally part of your phase 1 paper 2 as well as your phase 2 paper 2, right? And in both the cases you will face MCQs. Okay, so आपका like in case of the specialization it is descriptive, but for journalists they have kept it as a kind of MCQ format. All right, so this is the one. Ab jise if you compare the 2024 exam paper, so 24, if you'll see that particular paper in phase 1, like phase 1 and phase 2, the course curriculum is similar, right, for this paper 2. So paper level was very easy. It was very direct question in phase 1. In phase 2, like they have asked some case studies and the advanced level question based on same topic itself, right? So as you can see in general stream, so we same again multiple choice question team, subject commerce, accountancy, management, finance, costing, Companies Act and your economics as well, right? So we have same subject in phase 1 as well as in phase 2 of journal stream paper, right? So the thing is, like, only things which you have to keep, like, whenever you preparing for these particular subject, you have to prepare very well. Like, आप फेज 2 को टारगेट लेते हुए प्रिपेयर कीजिए, फेज 1 आपका ऑटोमेटिकली कवर हो जाएगा, ठीक है. सो अगेन यू विल गेट 100 मार्क्स, आपका 100 मैक्सिमम 100 मार्क्स क्वेश्चंस, ठीक है. एंड 90 मिनट 40% इज कट ऑफ एंड वेटेज इज 2/3 आपका, ठीक है. मैक्सिमम वेटेज विच जनरली बिलोंग्स टू दिस वन. दोज हु आर गोइंग फॉर द स्पेशलाइजेशन, इट इज डिस्क्रिप्टिव ड्रिवन, ठीक है. सो वी हैव कॉम्बिनेशन like for legal 70 MCQs and 3 descriptive questions of 10 marks, again 100 marks. The weightage and everything is same, right? So most of, like, this video is dedicated to the journalist stream candidate. Like, if you are planning for SEBI grade A in 2025-26 or the next attempt itself, okay, wherever SEBI release this particular one, so what will be my suggestion ki you can start preparing from today itself, okay? Like, see, these are completely new subject for so many candidates, like commerce, accountancy, costing, and companies act, okay? ESI and finance, that RBI ESI and finance is going to help you in this particular examination also. All right, तो ये इतने सारे सब्जेक्ट्स हैं आपका. तो अभी से अगर आप इनके ओवरऑल जो कीवर्ड्स हैं या जो इंपॉर्टेंट एरियाज हैं उनको कवर अप भी करते हैं, इट विल हार्डली, लाइक, इट विल इजीली टेक आपका 7 to 8 months, ठीक है. तो प्रिपेयर दीज पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट वेरी वेल. कंपटीशन आप लोग जानते हैं कितना डिफिकल्ट है, ठीक है. सो दिस इज द वन, दैट्स व्हाई आई जस्ट वांट टू लाइक थोड़ा सा एक like, if you are targeting SEBI grade examination, so this is my recommendation. You can start from April onwards और थोड़ा थोड़ा करके contribute करेंगे, ठीक है. So see, like, maximum candidate those who are preparing for these examination are working professionals. So after 8 and 10 hours working, you cannot dedicate 6 to 7 hours and all. So that is the point. Like, if you able to contribute 3 to 4 hours, that is a max side actually, ठीक है. So, like, you will be requiring that 7 to 8 months to prepare for this particular examination. So this is the best time to prepare for this one, ठीक है. अगर 2025 में आता है, so well and good. अगर नहीं आता है, then again you'll have an edge, क्योंकि you'll get at least 3 to 4 months or at least 2 to 3 months for the practice sessions, or like during that particular period you can have the maximum practice as well. All right, so इसके अलावा आपकी SEBI grade A से related आपका कोई भी queries हैं, so please do mention those particular queries into the comment section, like the overall syllabus of these particular topics and subjects, or like how to prepare and what to prepare. And even apart from that particular one also, if you having some sort of doubts related to SEBI grade examination, do let me know in the comment section. I'll come up with a dedicated video based on those particular areas and we will be discussing that particular thing, okay. And for courses itself, you can also access our the best preparation strategy is, like, I always recommend to all of you, you should have some sort of diversification. So if you are preparing for RBI grade B examination and if you are open for SEBI grade A also or any other regulatory bodies, so you can start contributing a little bit, ठीक है. थोड़ा थोड़ा करके आप contribute करेंगे. Let's say your main goal is RBI grade B, but if you want to appear in these particular examination also, so at least cover that RBI grade B things very well. So whenever notification came, आपके पास जो भी टाइम आपका होगा उस टाइम ड्यूरेशन के अंदर you can have maximum dedication toward the remaining subject of that particular one. But in case of SEBI, we have multiple subjects. It is hard to manage within 30 or within 40 days because like, see, even in phase 1 also we have the same subject, so you need some sort of dedicated practice and concept building toward these particular subject also. All right, so ये एक छोटा सा सेशन जहाँ पे I just try to convince you toward this particular one. If you are having a target of SEBI grade A, so you should focus or you should start working on these phase 1 and phase 2 subject also. All right, and apart from this, if you have any doubts, any queries, please do let me know in the comment section, or you can reach me out on Telegram. So I'll try to help you out with that particular one. All right. So this is it from my side. Thank you for joining this session. Thank you for watching this session and all the very best for your preparation, guys. Thank you.